Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. We're starting in a comfortable seated position. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder. And now drop your head back, left ear to left shoulder, and chin to chest. Let's repeat that head circle. And now switch directions. Come back to center as you reach your arms forward, touching your palms together. Open your arms wide, arching your back, dropping your head back. Round your spine, close your hands as you tuck your chin in towards your chest. Repeat that a few more times. Let's close our hands together one more time. And then reach your arms up towards the ceiling. Take an inhale. Exhale, twist to the right, placing your left hand on top of your right knee, looking over your right shoulder. Keep your left hand on your right knee as you reach up and over with your right arm for a side body stretch. And let's place our right hand next to us as we reach up and over with our left arm this time for another side body stretch. Come back to center, sit up tall, reach the arms up, and let's twist to the left. Right hand on top of left knee, look over the left shoulder. Left arm reaches up and over for your side body stretch. Place your left hand next to you, reach up and over with that right arm for your side body stretch. Come back to center as you straighten your right leg out to the side. Flex your right foot. Clasp your hands together as you reach up. We hinge forward, coming into our head to knee pose. Ideally, you clasp your hands underneath your foot, but if that's not the case today, you already know that is absolutely fine. Just do what you can. Release your hands to the mat as you slowly make your way back up. Let's go to the other side, straightening that left leg out. Flex the toes, clasp your hands, and you reach all the way up, and then you hinge forward. Release your hands to the mat as you make your way on up. And let's straighten both legs out to the side for our straddle. Flex your feet, walk your hands forward. Keep breathing here, working your belly down towards the mat. Make your way into a cross-legged position. Circle your arms up overhead, touching at the top, and bring your hands to heart center for a deep inhale in through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.